Okay, we're in the back bedroom. We're in the back bedroom closet. This is the electric load center. Service panel. Breaker box. Call it what you will. Obviously, you'll see this now, maybe. You see this number of breakers, but you'll see the number of spaces. I have a still image of this. There's a big openings in the bottom of this panel. And they're not supposed to be. They're supposed to be closed. And the breakers are not labeled. And what is labeled, it's handwritten and it's supposed to be printed. So we've got that going on. Let's come in here. It's kind of interesting. This is a 200 amp service panel. 200 amp. These cables are not rated for 200 amps. We've got some oxidation on these cables. Look at that. Look at that. So you may not be running 200 amps, but your main disconnect, your main shutoff, is rated for 200 amps. It will not turn off before you hit 200 amps. So this does not provide any protection. Coming on along here, we have one ground. This was installed by today's standards, and this is a recent installation. There's not a green tag, building permit, anything like that for this. I can't imagine it would have gotten okayed. They wouldn't have allowed to go into this clothes closet. So we have insufficient service access. Bonding location is not labeled, and I haven't found it. Got an open knockout in the bottom of the panel. The gaps between the cabinet and the wall are not supposed to be more than 1/8 of an inch. These are 20 amp breakers on 15 amp wires. This white hot should have been wrapped with black tape. I get that. If you don't know that's hot, then you don't belong in this box. But it should have been wrapped with black tape. So, how is this thing even secured in here? Is it? I guess it is. Oh, I got some screws up here. Should have been nailed. Screws are faster and tighter, I get that. But they don't have the same tensile strength as open knockouts. They don't have the same tensile strength, open knockouts. Same tensile strength, they don't have the same tensile strength. Shear force strength as nails, excuse me. There's unprotected conductors coming into the panel. There should be connectors like the rest of those. So nails have much more shear strength than screws. So if this structure was to experience a tornado, for example, there's nothing that would, I mean, this panel would stand a lot better chance of staying in place if it had actually been nailed in instead of screwed in. And speaking of which, I just pick that right there. They got screws right there, sheetrock screws. You don't think those will break? Those will break. Those will break. No bonding. Open knockouts. Gap. Wasn't wrapped with black tape. Oversized for the wires. Oxidizing wires. Open knockouts. Screwed in place. I mean, the wiring configuration in and of itself isn't horrible. It's just that nothing else was done right.